What's going on, y'all? Welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making Louisiana meat pies. Enjoy the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you will need empanada dough, ground beef, ground pork, yellow onion, garlic, green bell pepper, jalapeno, celery, green onion, beef broth, flour, Creole seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, and cayenne pepper. Begin by dicing a half a yellow onion. Dice 2 stalks of celery. Dice a green bell pepper. Dice a jalapeno. Chop 4 stalks of green onion. Mince a head of garlic. In a pan, break down 1 pound of ground beef and 1 pound of ground pork and cook until brown. Once browned, add the veggies and saute for 5 minutes. Add minced garlic. Add 1 cup of beef broth. Season with Creole seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, and cayenne pepper. Simmer for 6 to 8 minutes or until the broth cooks down. Once the broth is mostly gone, add 1/4 cup of flour. Make sure the flour is well incorporated. Now it's time to make our meat pies. Add a scoop of pie filling to the center of the empanada dough. Fold over and press the edges down. Press around the edges with a fork to seal the pie. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes or until golden. And there you have it, Louisiana meat pies. We hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everybody you know,
them MFers be cooking.